Hey everyone, welcome to the Weird channel. Today I'll show you how to boost your download speed for games on Steam. First, open Steam and go to Settings. Navigate to Downloads and clear the download cache. Next, disable Throttle downloads while streaming. You can also set a schedule for auto-updating your games. Another way is to open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. Open Resource Monitor and check the Network tab to see which process is using the most bandwidth. Close all unnecessary applications while downloading or updating games on Steam to further increase your speed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.